So welcome again. In this lesson, we're going to actually design our interface for our lists view controller. If you remember from the introductory video, we had a lists view controller, and then for each list, we see their items. This one is our lists view controller. So I'm going to go up here, say I've got one button at the very top. The size of our interface is essentially 375 and 667. So I'm going to keep those numbers in mind. And I'm going to say my button is located at 0, 20, 375, and 64. My button also says plus new list. So you can add a new list with that. The text color on it is white, and the background color of it is purple. If you don't see the recently used colors like mine, you can just go to other, and in here you can actually search for colors by their names. Purple is the one I want to use for now. So that's my new list. Then I have another button, and that's at the very far bottom in here. And that one is also 64 units. Perfect. And also not there. And also is stretched all the way. And this one, the text color on it is black. The background of it is orange. And on it, it says offline for now. And this is the one that we use to change our different, aspects of our application, whether we want to log in or register or we want to log out, we use this. Finally, I have a table view. And that table view is located here. That is, if I select my table view, it will be at, let's say, 0, 84, 375, and the height of it is going to be stretched all the way till this other outlet. I don't know exactly where that is, so I'm going to use a little calculator to calculate it. The height of my view is 667, if you remember. So that is 667. So 667 minus 20 for the status bar, minus 64 for this button, minus 64 for that one. So 519 is the right number. So I'm going to go in here, say not 520 that was assigned by values. It's actually 519. Perfect. I finally need to add a cell. So I'm going to add a cell in here. I'm going to select my cell, and my cell is actually called, identifier for it is called lists cell, and its type is actually going to be subtitle. So it shows me the title and a subtitle. And if I select my actual table view, I can go in here and say the row height is actually 128. So they're actually really tall rows. That's about that for this level. That's all you have to do, making two buttons, one table view, and one cell for your table view. I'm going to keep it like this for a few seconds. If you want, please pause the video, or just when you get a chance, just develop your interface like that, and then we move on to our next lesson.